Hey guys, it's Unicorn, and today we're playing Royale. I am playing with a lot of my friends. My friends are Jade, Avril, and where did she go? Come on, the other girl. She ran away. She loves puppies. Be on the lookout for her during this video, okay? Oh my god, this is way too much noise. Anyways, I'm going over to this thing. Yeah, and my friend is saying I'm Jade. Okay.
Systems online.
Yay, they all made it. So I'm very happy. I just came back from Portugal and I saw Jade in real life. And I also know Avril in real life, of course, but so you are going to see me play Royale, which is technically what you're supposed to do here on YouTube videos, unless you want to watch something else. Here in the comments, suggest what I should play. I have AJ, I have, I fell. Oh my god. Oh my god, I fell. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back here. Is there a place where we can have two dorms together? Yes. Okay, Jade. So Avril's gonna probably sleep in my bed. Sorry, that was my little sister. I told her to be quiet, but whatever. Seriously, they took mine. Come on. Okay, now I have to go on this one. Okay. Seriously, Lily. Jade is my friend. Like, I'm gonna have to take care of this guy's voice. YouTube, wanna learn to unlock dorms without being your room? I already know. It's like this, look. What? It doesn't work. It doesn't work anymore. They fixed it. Come on, seriously, it's annoying me. How did she do that? Here, let's try this. Yep, it doesn't work for me. Whatever. Oh, yay! Avril got an A. Dun 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 dun. Mal. Yes. Yes, what do you want? Come on! You say Mal, so say something. Why you so quiet? Because... Okay, Jade. I'm so quiet because I'm doing my YouTube video. And I'm talking instead of typing. Okay guys, so I have to make my sister some breakfast. So as much as I don't want to. Wait, what? Somebody get out. I'm not opening. Like seriously. No! Get out. Okay. Out! I hate when strangers are in there. Out. Get out. Sorry guys, I'm really silent. At 8. Now get out. Now get out. Out. Oh my god, I hate people like this. Like seriously, yeah, I am recording. And so you get out, please. Really. Okay, this is getting very tiring. This was a fun game, Other Mal, but I'm tired of this. And so, you get out. Whatever, just lock our rooms. Lock our rooms, lock our rooms, lock our rooms. Lock room. Okay. No! She locked it on me. Whatever. Oh, no, she opened it. Oh, lock it on her. Lock her. Lock her. Yes! Yeah! Yes! Lock it! Seriously, lock her. Yeah, that's very frustrating. Why? How? What? How? How do I have only 200 gems? How do I have only 200 gems? Oh no, she gotta go! Bye! Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. Anyways, bye. Wait. Wait, what? I'm not mean. Oh. So let's go to the next person. What? Okay. I'm not gonna say anything because, that's just a mess over there. So everything's under control, kind of. And it's not my problem. Let's try flying castle. Like I die right in the spot right here. In the football field. With me and they throw me in there. Oh my god, that'd be crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah. I heard there's a hidden sky castle. Here, I'll ask my friend where it is. Hidden sky castle. Hidden sky castle? Oh, come on. Why does she have to go? I need to show you. Hidden sky castle. It's a castle. Okay, she's showing me. Show me. So, okay. She's showing me. I'll go to Sky Castle. And so, I'm going to Sky Castle with her. That's nice. I honestly don't know what to say. I'm honestly not full of excitement right now. I honestly do not know where it is. Hello. Oh, hi, Ethel. Wait, straight in front. Thanks. Bye. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so we have to keep going, keep going. Oh, I see it, I see it. Oh, I see it. Do you see? Okay, guys, look, look, look. Do you see that thing in the distance? That's Sky Castle. Okay, so some weird things are going on in the chat. Eyes turn black naturally. That's bad. Okay, you guys, once I get there, I'll start the video again. Guys, I got here, and so for some reason there's a bed that is over a roof. But okay, I guess this is the developer's bed, I believe. That's what I've heard. It's very poofy. And so, yeah, I'm going in Sky Castle right now. So you'd think you can go through this, but it's so awesome. And then like parkour thing. Oh, come on, seriously? I'm making a YouTube video and I can't even do a simple parkour. Duh! It's too far away. Oh yeah, I gotta get to the dance. What am I thinking? Oh my gosh. Gotta get to my dance. There we go. I'm coming. Let me. Something really weird's happening to my computer. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna soak in a nice bath. Okay, now I gotta take a shower. Don't judge me. I like taking showers. Boop. Oh, no, is it this one? Yes, this one. Taking a shower. Okay, I'm gonna stop the shower. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna dry off. How did she? Oh my god! She hacked into my thing! Ew! Oh, that's so nasty. I hate it when people do that. Okay. Wings. I really want this one or this one. No, I'd like... I'd like this one. Goddess Aphrodite or Cybernova Ocean. Or Astrolops. This is just wrong what she's doing. Okay. Like, don't give her credit for this. They'll be like, well, unicorn. I mean, she has to get dressed. She has to get dressed. But seriously, don't hack it. Oh my god, it's starting. I've been talking too much instead. Epic braids. I know I have epic braids, but I'm gonna trash you. Trash. Okay, sorry guys, I'm running out of time, and so please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, YouTube! And I'm just gonna show you what I look like. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I look like for the prom. Thank you for coming and watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, YouTube!